Short Marine make my life owning a boat really easy and so much more enjoyable. You know, before this concierge service with Short Marine, we'd have to organise, you know, the anti-foul, get it over there, the engine to be done separately, and it was a lot of time. We have a program that we work out together, and then in this case Ben will pick up the boat from our place. They bring it back here, they do the full whatever the agreed service is, and then they supply, I don't know, a dozen photos of what happened, or clean, or this issue, that issue might be. It gives us a peace of mind that we're doing the right thing, but the boat's always being looked after, so we shouldn't have any problems with it when we're out using it, which is most important. That's a big safety issue. What surprised me was how thorough they are, really detailed in terms of the service that they do, and also their reports back to you. I know our boat is being looked after to the highest standard and really with a minimal of fuss, and it's looked after better than us doing it on our own. So it really takes out the hassle for us, but it also gives us peace of mind that the boat's being looked after and that we're avoiding future problems, which hopefully will save you money in the long run. You can make it as seamless as you want. You can get them to fill it up. And if we're in a really big hurry and we can't get there before the next one, we'll ask Ben to fill it up. He'll always top the water up anyway. So there's really nothing that they won't do. All you got to do is ask them, or they'll be recommending to you what they think your boat should be doing and at what stage they should be doing it. And, you know, if I wanted to upgrade down the track, Short Marine can look after that, and you have a whole proven record of the serviceability of the boat and how often it's been done. And I mean, the great thing about the concierge service is that it just gives us more time out on the water. We're away from the office, but we really want to use our time swimming, fishing, entertaining friends out on the boat, and they give us more hours doing that and not cleaning and worrying about it. There's no way my better half or I would go back to not having it. I think that it's value for money.